In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create aesthetic notes in Notion. We'll be putting together a note layout that looks clean and visually appealing, while still being practical and easy to study from. The goal here is not just to make your notes pretty, but to make them organized, readable, and actually useful when you come back to review them later. To begin, open Notion and create a new page. Or if you prefer to keep everything in one place, create a notes database. A single page works well if you're making notes for one topic, while a database is better if you want to collect and organize multiple sets of notes over time. Choose the option that fits the way you like to study and plan. Once your page is ready, set up a simple note template. Add clear sections for the topic, the date, a short summary, and key points. This gives every note a consistent structure, which makes everything easier to scan later. The topic section should clearly tell you what the note is about. The date helps you track when it was created. The summary gives a quick overview, and the key point section is where the main ideas can stand out. Next, start formatting the page so it feels clean and easy to follow. Use headings to break up different parts of the note and create visual hierarchy. Add dividers to separate sections and prevent the page from feeling crowded. Bullets are great for listing important ideas in a way that's easy to read, and toggles are especially useful if you want to hide extra details until you need them. This can keep your notes compact without losing information. To make the page feel more aesthetic, add soft colors using callouts or text colors. Try to keep the color palette gentle and consistent so the page looks polished rather than distracting. Color can help highlight key information, but using too many different shades can make notes harder to focus on, so a simple approach usually works best. After that, add icons or emojis to make your notes easier to recognize at a glance. A good icon can help visually identify a page quickly, especially if you're scrolling through a larger workspace. Keep it relevant to the subject so it supports the note instead of feeling random. If it's helpful, you can also include visuals like images, screenshots, or links. These are especially useful when a concept is easier to understand visually or when you want quick access to a related source. Finally, review the whole note and make sure it stays neat, readable, and useful. Clean spacing, clear sections, and thoughtful formatting make a big difference. If your notes look good and make sense immediately, you'll be much more likely to use them consistently.